Hey BMTM, I'm your host Eileen Avila and this is BMTM Daily. In school news, all art students from semester 1, please pick up your art from room 420. A reminder that the athletic banquet is this Thursday after school. Pick up your free tickets at lunch in the front foyer or see Elijah. Please make sure to return all books that you borrowed from the library this week. Our very own BMTM boys have ranked 3rd place in OFSA, 3rd best in Ontario. Congratulations boys. Now to Edson for the weather.
Hey Royals, currently it's 22 degrees with some partially cloudy skies. Looking at the forecast today, it's going to be going up to 24 degrees at 3 p.m. and dropping to 18 degrees for tonight. That's your forecast for Monday, June 6th. Have a great day, and now to Kathy for some local news.
Thanks, Edson. In local news, the prematurely born baby boy of a woman who was fatally shot in a car in Jamestown last month has died in hospital, the child's family says. Candice Rochelle Bob was fatally struck by gunfire while sitting in a vehicle on John Garland Boulevard near Jamestown Crescent at 11 p.m. on May 15. Now to Nick with World News.
Thank you, Kathy. In world news, residents on Florida's Gulf Coast filled schools with sandbags and plan to close early. Governor Rick Scott declared a state of emergency as Tropical Storm Colin gained speed and churned towards the state Monday, threatening serious flooding. That's been BMTM Daily. See you all next time.